In this video, we delve into some of the most famous and tragic cases of missing aircraft in the history of aviation. Each of these stories has its own secrets, mysteries, and tragedies that remain unsolved to this day. 1. Flight MH370. On March 8, 2014, a Malaysia Airlines Boeing 777 with 239 passengers vanished on its route from Kuala Lumpur to Beijing. The plane disappeared from radar, and no trace of it has been found to this day. Despite extensive international search efforts, the fate of MH370 remains a mystery. Various theories, including mechanical failure, hijacking, and even extraterrestrial intervention, have been suggested regarding this case, but no definitive answer exists. The disappearance of MH370 has become one of the greatest mysteries in aviation history, and the families of the victims are still waiting to find answers and locate the remains of their loved ones. 2. Lockheed Electra L-1011. Aircraft. On January 29, 1979, a Lockheed Electra L-1011 aircraft belonging to Miami Air Cargo Airlines disappeared while flying from Miami International Airport to Nassau International Airport. The plane, carrying various cargo with 3 crew members and 4 passengers, suddenly vanished. Extensive searches to find the aircraft or its occupants proved futile. To this day, no trace of this aircraft has been found, and the reason for its disappearance remains unknown. 3. Flight 19. On December 5, 1945, 5 Avenger TBM bombers belonging to the United States Navy disappeared in the Bermuda Triangle. These planes were on a training mission when they lost contact with the control base and disappeared. Extensive searches to find the planes or their occupants were unsuccessful. To this day, no trace of these planes has been found, and the reason for their disappearance remains one of the greatest mysteries in aviation history and the Bermuda Triangle. 4. Douglas DC-3. Aircraft. On September 21, 1948, a Douglas DC-3 aircraft belonging to KLM Airlines disappeared near the Azores Islands while flying from Amsterdam to New York. The plane, carrying 3 crew members and 27 passengers, vanished. Extensive searches to find the aircraft or its occupants were unsuccessful. To this day, no trace of this aircraft has been found, and the reason for its disappearance remains unknown. 5. Argentine Air Force C-130. Hercules. On November 17, 2017, an Argentine military aircraft with 14 passengers disappeared on its route from Santa Cruz Province to Ushuaia. The plane crashed in the mountains of Chile. 2 years later, the wreckage of the aircraft was found, but the bodies of the passengers were never recovered. The exact reason for the crash of this aircraft remains partially unknown. These are just a few examples of the missing aircraft in aviation history. Each of these stories has its own tragedy, secrets, and mysteries that remain unsolved to this day. The disappearance of these aircraft serves as a reminder of the dangers of aviation and the limitations of human knowledge against the vastness of nature and the unknown.